Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Crypto. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Bitcoin wallet. So if this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So to get started, firstly, in the search bar of a web browser, type in bitcoinwallet.com. As soon as you do that, you will land on the official website of Bitcoin Wallet. From here, you can click on the create account option. Now to create your account, you will need to type in your username and then enter in your email address. Again, reconfirm your email address. Now as you can see, after you type in your username, your custom URL will be printed, which will be your username and then .bitcoinwallet.com. You can directly type in this URL and you will be directly end up in your Bitcoin wallet. After this is done, click on I'm not a robot and then click on create account. Now in the next page, you can see a verification email has been sent to your email address. You will need to open up your email address. As you can see, a verification email has been sent to the email address. From here, you will need to click confirm. Again, you will be directed to a page from where you will need to create a password. Again, reconfirm your password. After that's done, hit continue. And just like that, you have been signed up for Bitcoin wallet. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we'll be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.